We're gonna be working on a 103 footer today. I'm at Bayside and I'm picking up an Instacart order for the family. Well, how did the saying go? It's always something. Well, I just blew a lower unit. Lower unit is just free spinning right now, and it's not the hub. But luckily, we have a jet ski on board, and we weren't too far, so we still got the groceries. I got a little excited when I was hugging that island right there. Probably a foot and a half of water, so I trimmed it up. I let her eat, and then I just felt it go, something drag, and then after I felt the drag, I felt it just pop. Well, this is not how this video is supposed to play out. That's the boat we're working on, and that's the bosses, and they're watching me get towed in by a jet ski. So all the cushions up here are currently getting reupholstered, but when it's all reupholstered, it's gonna look real nice. So I just finished taking out the kids on the tube, and we're about to go back out. So sorry I haven't really been recording. Obviously I'm working. I can't have the phone, and you know. Hey, anything I can help you with, bro?
Now we're chilling out with a pilot. From this point on, we're just gonna cook some food.
Oye, coman de todo lo que comemos nosotros.
Gracias.
Gracias, Nancy.
So what's for lunch, Captain?
We're gonna have some fried chicken, buffalo chicken, boneless chicken, lots of chicken.
Lots of chicken. After hanging out with you all day, I've realized that being a captain is not just driving the boat.
No, that's just 10% of it.
That's probably like the easy and fun part, huh?
That's the easiest part. There's a lot more that comes with it.
Let me see. Let me see him.
Come back.
Let me see him. So small.
Super small.
Where are you gonna put him?
Right here where I found them. I found them over here.
You just chilling in here?
Yeah. Just chilling. What a cutie.
Cuban lunch right here. All my American followers are gonna be like, what? Rice and eggs? Hell yeah. ¿Qué pasa? Está bello. Bello está el sol. Looking for a phone charger. Where's the birdie? Did he go flying away, or? I don't know where the birdie went. Oh, there it is. Doing a complete U-turn in Miami River on a 103-foot yacht with a boat tied on the side. Yeah, you got like 15, 20 feet back here.
Thank you. Good night.
Gracias, papu. I'm so proud of you, Captain.
Let's put that on my resume.
You guys wanted me to hang out with In Too Deep more often, didn't you? We're here. We're with In Too Deep. Look at the vibes.
Sorry.
They're good.
Por favor, ya.